Hi, my name is Caden Cloutier and my natural high is basketball. I discovered basketball at a young age, winning awards. From then on, I enjoyed playing and knew that I wanted to play the remainder of my life. I was one of the first sixth graders to be selected on the Moran team, as well as playing 3 years and as an eighth grader being named co-captain. I also played with the town team for many years. I did this with a bunch of my friends from across the town as well as some on my Moran team. Someone I look up to is Demar DeRozan. Demar was born and raised all his life in Compton, California. He played high school basketball in Compton High School around drugs. He grew up around seeing people do drugs, but found a love in basketball instead, and now plays for the Toronto Raptors in the National Basketball Association, or NBA. If I were to do drugs, it would let down my teammates, coaches, brother, parents, and most importantly, myself. It would give my opponent an edge, which I just won't let myself do. My opponent makes me work harder and I have no time for drugs. That is why I choose the sport I love over all bad temptations and pledge to live naturally high.